Alright, good afternoon. So time check is 3:46. Pupunta ako ng Alaminos kasi magsa-swimming tayo today, alright. So yun nga kasi last time nasa Bulacan ako kasi graduation ni Utol. So today magsa-celebrate kami swimming. Dito kilala yung Pangasinan. Maraming dito beach. And then yun, mag-100 islands daw. Hindi ko alam kung sasama ako kasi magbabangka. And kasama si baby. Nauna na nga pala sila doon, yung family ko. Nandun na sila sa resort. Nahuli lang ako kasi marami pa akong prepare na things na kailangan namin. May motor naman. So yeah, susunod na lang ako. So ang check-in time kasi is 3 PM. Yung name ng resort is, ifo-flash ko na lang sa screen. Nakalimutan ko siya. Pero sa may bandang Lookout, Alaminos. And maganda siya. May na rin sila, may package na rin for 100 islands. Kung gusto nyo mag-island hopping, meron na silang in-offer doon. And yeah, enjoy lang natin yung ride. Mabilis lang to, siguro mga 45 minutes galing sa amin. And check natin yung place kasi dala ko yung drone. Right, so see you. Right, so papasok na tayo sa Alaminos. And may mga kalabaw. Laki. And sa mga di nakakaalam, ito po ang Alaminos City. And maganda dito sa gabi, maraming ilaw. Kaya lang, yung mga establishments dito is karamihan hanggang lang 6 or 7. Kasi siguro yung yung transportation dito is limited time lang siya. Wala nang masasakyan yung mga employee, yung mga empleyado nila, kaya siguro maaga sila nagsasarado. So ayun, pero dun sa may Lookout marami siyang pasyalan kahit gabi. Kaya yun, masarap din mamasyal doon. Pero hindi pa siya tulad ng sa Bulacan. So ayan, kaya kaliwa tayo dito. And dito yung papuntang Lookout. And yung resort is bago ata dumating ng Lookout siya, bandang right. Parang nakita ko na kasi yun pag nadaan ako dito sa lugar na to. Ganda ng preno bago sa kasi 4-pot na yung caliper natin. Dati kasi single pot lang siya. So ramdam mo yung difference. Dapat nga dual pot caliper lang yung kukunin ko, pero kasi nga si 30th anniversary ni RCB is 4-pot siya. So yun na yung kinuha ko, which is mas much better naman siya kasi yun nga 4-pot na siya. Right side. Hindi ako nag-maps kasi parang madali lang naman mahanap yun. Ayan, ang daming coffee shop dito, nakakatuwa. Ayun, Como Laya, yung pala. Yan, Como Laya. Diba Steve, may ganito sila. Wow, nice one. Saan ang parking? Ayan, dito, okay, left side. Right, ayun may van para ang gusto mag-island hopping. Saan ba yung motor? Doon. Okay. Mainit Raven, I'm so sorry. Yeah, Nagsisiksikan sila sa malilim. Saan tayo pa-parking? Right, nakapasok na eh. Sinundo ako. Nakagandala eh. Ayan o, di ba?
Naka-vlog ka?
Oo. Ang cozy. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga villa nila.
Tama kami daw.
Hindi, ngayon pala ako nag-start. Ayan o. Parang dami nakabook ngayon. Saan tayo? Ayan yung pool. Nice one. Ang dami palang bahay. Yung villa nila. Dami oh. Para sa style. Para kasi. Ang number tayo?
Sa tapat ng pool.
Wow.
Dito kami. Tapos yung sila.
Magkalayo? Magkalayo?
Katabi lang.
Magkatabi? Rules. Diba? Oh, awesome. Ganda ng pool niya, oh. Kenji! Ayaw? Eh, naninibago pa siya eh. Ayun pala si Ate Ella, oh. Ate Ella! Kenji, kasi mangot ka naman. Tara, saan tayo? Saan ba? Eto na? Ayan. Oh, di ba? Number 26. Awesome. Rico. Wow. Spacious yung labas. Yung toys mo. Oh. Ganda no. Ako pumili niyan eh. Tingnan natin yung loob. Tingnan natin yung loob. Oh no. Lamig ah. Ganda ah.
Nantay ka daw ni Kenji.
Oo nga yan yung CR. Daddy, wait lang. Drone time. So, check lang natin yung place kasi napakaganda nitong lugar na to. Sobrang spacious niya. And syempre iba yung view sa taas. Kaya check natin.
I know every word by now. Coats piled by the doorway. Your shoes next to mine. Small things on the table. Proof we've been building time. We'll go side.
Yan, grabe, nagulat talaga ako, promise. Ang daming ang daming villa. Then ang lalaki niya, hindi lang siya basta villa. I think same size lang sila bawat villa. I'm not sure pero tingnan niyo naman di ba? Napakarami, tas ang lalaki. And then yung place is napakalawak. And yung pool niya, tingnan niyo, ang ganda. Hindi siya yung siksikan. Ang haba nung from start to finish nung pool. Ang haba, so makakabuelo talaga kayo sa paglangoy.
Notes on receipts, folded hearts out misplaced. We argue about nothing, then cook the same old.
Right, so day 1 ng stay namin dito sa Comalaya Resort and pupunta kami sa 100 Islands. I think this is around 7 or 7:30 a.m. Kasi dito sa resort is may package deal sila para sa tour dun sa 100 Islands. So check natin. Ay, ayaman.
Ma'am, ma'am, sir, good morning po. Ang boat natin, bali naka-package po yun ma'am sa lahat ng island. Ang boat natin sir, habang iniikot tayo sa island, mayroon kasi mga pinupuntang kuweba, tunnel, snorkeling area para makita po yung corals at iba't ibang klaseng isda. Ma'am, check natin ma'am, baka gusto yung mag-rate ng mga mas snorkeling. Ma'am, ang isang set ma'am, 150 lang po yun. Yung 150 ma'am, may kasamang mas snorkeling, kasama ng cave doon, tunnel, cliff diving, underwater cave. Dito kayo mag-decide po sir kung gagamit po tayo para yung gamit may sakay sa boat bago po tayo alis. Check natin ma'am kung ilan po para makasakay na tayo agad-agad po.
So yun, onting instructions lang and proceed na agad tayo sa bangka. And ito na nga yung bangka namin. May option kayo kasi yung unang alok sa amin is yung small boat. Pero nag-upgrade kami so medium boat ata yung tawag dito or large. Basta mas malaki siya. Yan na! Alright! Awesome!
Nandun palang piloto sa likod. Sa likod. Siyempre, sila nagdadala ng timon.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last forever. Looking in your eyes, I see my whole life. Oh, they say you know it when you know it, and I know.
Ayan, so after mga 20 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes, nakarating na kami sa first island, which is yung Pilgrimage Island.
Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted. You were right there all along. You and I start gazing, intertwining songs. We were never strangers. You were right there all along. I lose my mind when I'm around you. How I come alive when I'm without you. I can't help but feel so lost. I wanna give you all I've got. Oh, they say you know it when you know it, and I know. Oh, promise that you'll hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I wasted. You were right there all along. You and I start gazing, intertwining songs. We were never strangers. You were right there all along.
Nakarating kami dito sa second stop namin, second island, which is ang Lopez Island. Dito na rin kami nag-swimming kasi napakaganda dito. White sand, napakalinaw ng dagat, and walang masyadong tao.
Love me to my bones.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm tree swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Nakakatuwa kasi sa sobrang linaw ng dagat, makikita mo yung mga isda.
Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Alright, so ito na yung third and last stop namin. So this is called Children's Island. Maganda to kasi may part na mababaw. So pwede kang tumawid sa kabilang island ng walking, maglalakad ka lang. Kasi nga, ang babaw niya. And then malinaw din yung tubig. So nakaka-enjoy and refresh.
They say you know it when you know it, I don't know. Oh, promise that you hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted. You were right there all along. You and I start gazing, intertwining songs. We were never strangers. You were right there all along. I lose my mind when I'm around you, how I come alive. When I'm without you, I can't help but feel so lost. I wanna give you all I've got. Oh, they say you know it when you know it, I don't know.